Hello. So I found it. I found this wonderful plant. When I first time was on Okinawa in November, I didn't find it. And today, on my January 24th, I found this fern in a very shady and humid environments in the north of Okinawa. This is Tectaria fern. Wonderful plant. Tectarias are purely tropical group, and few species can go as north as Ryukyu Islands and grow here on Okinawa. Tectaria is amazing not only because of geography, but also because of morphology of leaf. So if you turn leaf around, you will see the wonderful venation of Tectaria. Sporangias are not present at the moment, but they are not very significant. Significant is venation. Venation of Tectaria is strikingly similar to the venation of flowering plants. You probably know that in flowering plants, veins of leaf, like third and fourth order, form kind of network. They called anastomosing veins. They look like a cells formed of veins of leaves. And that believed to be, well, very good adaptation to intensify photosynthesis, supply leaves with water and take out organic compounds. One of interesting inventions of flowering plants. And that same character was used to distinguish fossils. If you see the fossil, like imprint of leaf with anastomosing veins, with a network of veins, well, this is a likely flowering plant. However, as usual, there are exceptions. Biology is a science of exceptions. So, exception here is Tectaria. Tectaria leaf on the back side has the same, very similar to the flowering plant, network of anastomosing, intersecting veins of third and higher order. So there are very cell-like structures which form with veins of these small orders. And very interesting adaptation. Tectaria believed to be recently young group, formed in a shady, wet and warm environments, and maybe these environmental conditions, they facilitate the development of venation in some way similar to the venation of flowering plant. Otherwise, Tectaria is still a fern. The fern which is close to Polypodiaceae, to polypod families, and they are not different from any other ferns by the way of life cycle. But if you look at venation of other ferns, so they also growing here, you will see that veins of other ferns do not form this intersecting network. And this is, by the way, not a fern. It's a giant fern. It's very different. It's like a shark in, well, the presence of dolphins, only similar by the appearance. So this fern is different group. But also, if you look on the venation, veins are just dividing and don't make any intersecting cell-like structure. So whatever giant fern or normal fern are, they don't have this flowering plants venation except for Tectaria. Very interesting, and I am very glad that I found it. So Tectaria on Okinawa on January 24th. Thank you very much.